Yeah, that's good, I
I think it could be whatever we want.
Yeah,
That's a good
it
one.
really
The
could.
kid, yeah. I mean, he doesn't.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
I'll think of something. Okay. Our next class, I didn't look closely, but are we just going, is it like our study time, our study, like we don't have another lesson?
Is it review?
Yeah, I think so.
And for later this week, yeah, is the review.
Okay.
So I won't be able to meet on Thursday because I'm going to Disneyland.
Oh,
My husband's on
Yay!
vacation finally, so we get to do something as a family.
Yay.
Well,
So
fun.
I'm bummed that I really need to, I don't know, I think our study guides together help me, but
Yeah.
I don't know.
Well, whoever records it can send you the recording.
Oh yeah, that would be helpful. I didn't think about that.
Yep,
So,
we can do that for sure. But yay, that's exciting though.
I know.
yeah. I'm jealous. You both have had vacations. I want one.
Well, I'm just at home, but I don't ever do anything, and he's like gone like all the time. So now that he's has some time, I'm like, let's do something as a family.
Yeah, take advantage of that.
Yeah.
What does he do?
He's an office manager, and he also he's kind of in collections too for
Really?
a water mitigation company.
Okay.
Yeah. And he does school full time. He's almost done. So
Wow.
yeah, so he's always gone.
Oh, that will be exciting when school's done.
I know. He's got one more semester after this.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Who is it through?
Huh?
Who is it through? Is it through BYU Idaho also?
No, it's a university here in California. It's Cal State.
Okay.
Yeah, Cal State San Bernardino.
All right.
He would have rather done BYU, but he couldn't do it.
Yeah.
Yeah. It would have taken because I'm doing it through the pathway program.
Yeah.
And so it would have taken him like another year.
Yeah.
That way. So.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. I did the pathway program, and I mean, it was all stuff I already knew. It was gen ed stuff I had already taken, but for me, I only did it for the tuition.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I know. I have my associates already, so I was like, I don't want to do it, but I'm not really in a hurry.
Yeah.
I'm like, do you want to graduate faster than forever like I am right now? But it was just really good for me since I'm at home, and the tuition is just so incredibly cheap.
It is. It's super nice.
Did you do it?
I was in the same boat.
Yeah.
Yeah. I already had my associates, but I still did it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good.
I didn't have an associate, but I did it.
You're on the pathway, you did the pathway program too, Amanda?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah. So,
Good.
okay, should we give this test a try?
Sure.
If I can find the right tab here. Okay, let's see, content.
So is Thursday our last meeting together, or do we have some next week too?
Oh, I don't know. I didn't look ahead to next week.
Let me look. Next week says overview, individual preparation, group meeting, homework. That's next week. Yeah, it says we meet together.
Okay.
Does that mean it's given us two periods to? Well, Thursday it says homework and exam information. So maybe we do have just a regular.
Well,
It says project presentations, review for and take the. So maybe it will help with our project presentations.
okay.
Okay, I just lost my place here. Okay. Quiz, group meeting quiz. Okay, 18 questions.
Mm-hmm.
Are you guys there?
One moment.
I'm going to erase some of these other files here.
Oh, excuse me.
So we'll need the math. So efficacy. Oh. Okay.
Okay, I'm ready.
Okay. So the true linear regression equation is B1 equals 0 and B1 doesn't equal 0. So the third one down?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
A residual is the difference between observed y value and the value predicted.
Yeah.
That third one, right? And the value predicted by the regression line.
Okay, a plot of residuals supports
Linear
regression when normally distributed.
I don't.
If it's the first plot,
I'll look it up really quick. Okay. Residual plot.
None of those really.
The residual is calculated for each data point. So how do you, okay. We make it what is called a residual plot is a scatter plot where the x-axis shows the independent variable x and the y-axis presents the residuals for each value of x.
Yeah, well, it says that if linear regression is appropriate, then the residual plot will show no patterns and will consist of random scatter. So the megaphone one is out, and the whole other one, you see the pattern. So the last two definitely are not it. But I don't know about.
Hmm.
A megaphone.
Well, I mean, in this one, not. That's a pattern though, and it's not supposed to be.
Yeah, the megaphone I think is when it's like on one side, right? Is bigger than the other, or more.
Well, and then the example they show in the book, there's parts that are negative. So
yeah.
So I guess the first one, even though that doesn't, like, this question just doesn't make sense to me. These answers, I guess, that are given, these choices don't make sense.
Using
I guess
linear.
that's the only one it could be. Just the first one.
Let me.
So what is it asking? Because there are several patterns that could arise in a residual. Okay, a plot of residual supports using linear regression.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'm guessing curvature megaphone outliers. Linear relationship scatter plot, hot dog shape, what you see.
That's hot dog shot shape.
Thinking.
Yeah, I think it's the first one.
Yeah. Can try it.
Math, efficacy. Use the confidence interval. Compute the residuals for the data using software. This describes the residuals.
Okay, so
I'm gonna just do everything. I'm gonna make a scatter plot. Score. Oh wait, which one's X and which one's Y? Let me see. What is it asking here?
It wants the confidence to be X and the score to be Y.
Okay.
And it looks like, okay, let's see. Analyze. Oh, no. Regression.
So the first one's not it, right? I mean, my residuals are negative 2.229 and 1.45.
Sorry, I'm still plugging in.
Oh, okay, sorry. And
Okay, so
I need to make a plot too, so that.
okay, so what is it? Let's see.
Okay.
Compute the residuals for the data using software. What statement best describes the residuals? Looks like it follows a linear pattern to me.
Yeah, I did the graph, and I mean, it's not perfect, but
Perfect. Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, that's what I am going to put. Okay, QQ plot. Analyze.
Okay.
So where do you go to do a QQ plot? Oh, wait.
Analyze descriptive statistics.
Oh, I see it.
I had to look and look and look for that earlier because it didn't tell us again.
Yeah.
Okay, so our question is, based on QQ plot for these residuals, what can you say about these residuals?
They're clearly fairly normal.
Yeah. They look fairly normal to me.
Stacy, are you following or?
I am. Yeah, I'm trying to figure out how to do. I thought I figured out how to do the QQ plot in Excel, but
Oh, okay.
okay.
Did you find it?
Yeah. So then, I think they are, if I'm doing my QQ plot correctly, then they are fairly normal.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's what it looks like to me.
Like, oh, good. Okay. Okay.
Relief and happiness.
Yes.
Use
Okay.
to create a scatter plot of the data.
Okay. So that is the linear relationship. Is that okay? There is a linear relationship. That's what that tells us by using the scatter plots and the residual plots.
Right.
Yeah.
Plot is the normal, the error term.
Yeah.
And the residual plot does the constant variance. Oh, that's not listed on here.
Yeah.
But the residuals are normally distributed. That's really all we can know, right? By doing those.
What did you say again? The what gives you the error term? The variance?
The QQ plot.
The QQ plot does. Mm-hmm.
Well, yeah, it says to assume that X's are without error, but yeah, those don't really show us, so I guess we don't mark that.
Right.
What
And
tells us
then
if it's
it says
normally
that for the observations being independent, those can't be checked directly.
Yeah. Okay.
What about the normally distributed?
That's what the QQ plot tells us.
Okay.
Yeah.
So just the first three then?
Yeah.
Alrighty.
I didn't know all the rules for that one.
one for the slope.
Yeah. Well, there were 5 like rules, but then in the text it tells us we can really only check for 3 of them.
Yeah.
Oh. What is B1? B1.
Slope is the confidence
Whoa.
rating.
Do we look at the residual statistics for that one?
I think that one is under the coefficient.
Yeah.
Oh, the coefficients? Okay.
Yeah. So where'd it go? The 12.695, is that what you guys got?
Yeah.
Okay.
The confidence rating 12.695.
Wait, I got 1.296.
What are you looking?
I'm looking at the coefficients, right?
I'm going to show you my screen just
Okay.
to make sure I'm doing it right. I'm not because there are a lot of things to look at.
Okay.
So let me find you. Screen share. If I can find the right thing now. Okay, I'm looking on this coefficients right here.
I can't. Oh, do I click on? I don't see it.
You don't see it?
Mm-mm.
Oh, are you on the Google Hangout?
Yeah. Do you see it, Stacey?
Mm-mm.
Maybe I don't know how to do the screen share after all. I don't know.
I don't know how to do it, so I am not helpful.
I didn't push the share button. Okay, let me push the button here. Okay.
Oh wait, no, now you're doing it.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's
Right
working.
There
here.
we go.
The coefficient. And the slope should be the second one.
Yeah.
Right?
I didn't get that.
Did you put the, what am I trying to say here? Did you put the confidence level as the X and the score as the Y?
Let me do it again.
To see if that might be it.
Where did it go?
I do it.
I put the confidence rating as the dependent and then the score as independent.
Let's see. Is that right? I have to think about it here. Score. I have score as dependent.
Okay.
Yeah, the score should be dependent and the confidence rating as independent.
Okay. Let's see if that changes it. Okay. Yeah, that's what I did wrong.
Okay.
So
Now I
one
forgot
is
my.
6, the rating. For your lower bound, do you guys have B1.
Okay, lower bound then I have, that would be 10.674.
Yeah,
Um,
that's what I have.
I'm looking in the right place. 10.674.
yeah, 10.674. 14.715. Crap, what did I just say? 6.
Okay. Based on the evidence and using level of significance, what decision would you make regarding the hypothesis test? So
It's lower, so we reject the null, right?
Mm-hmm.
Because P is listening.
We would reject the null.
yeah.
So if we reject the null hypothesis, there's sufficient evidence
That it is not 0. Wait.
Yeah, right, because that's the alternative.
Yeah, is not 0. Yeah. All right.
The body length is dependent, right?
Yes.
Does that depend on the head?
Yes. All right. I gotta do some copy and pasting here. Okay.
Here we have margin of error again.
Yeah. Good thing we know how to do it. All right. Let me find those files. Leslie.
Okay, let's see.
Is it just upper minus lower over 2?
Yep. All right. So it's okay. So since we have to round, I got 0.443.
That's what I got, yeah.
Sorry, I'm just a little behind you.
That's okay.
Okay, so once we have that, then we have the lower and the upper.
Mm-hmm.
.443.
Yes, after it's rounded.
Yep.
Yeah. The lower was 7.218.
Mm-hmm.
And each point one. Okay, based on your lower bound and upper bound from the last two problems, what can you say about B1?
I put A.
Yeah, that's what I put too. But these are the ones I super struggle with.
Yeah, yeah, I know. But I think, well, the word confident, well, there's a chance yeah, we are confident. I don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm gonna put number 1.
Yeah.
I forgot to say. Okay. Okay, here I go.
Let's see how we do.
Oh,
That wasn't a good O. Did we miss some?
did I mark that
Oh.
one wrong? Oh my gosh. I think I messed up. I had got 2 wrong, but I think that for the sufficient or insufficient, I put insufficient. Dang it. I think I messed up on that one.
And say I got 6 wrong. Did you guys get 6 wrong?
Yeah,
You 6?
6 was wrong.
Oh, number 6. I thought you meant 6. I was like, how is that possible?
No.
What? 6 of them wrong?
Yes, I did. I got it wrong.
I wonder if it was the first one then, because not all of them were negative. I wonder if it was just the range.
Oh, yeah, because they were all in that range.
They were? I didn't.
They were like, yeah, what were they? They tricked us.
I looked
Yeah.
at my range and it didn't apply. That's why I knew not.
Was that before you changed your?
Oh, that was a different problem, right?
I think it's 10.674 and 14.715. Or wait, is that what we're looking? What is it asking? Just a minute, I'm lost.
It was for the previous one with the other data file.
Dang, I can't believe I
Okay.
messed up on that one. Oh,
Let's see. You can retake it.
no.
I'm okay with getting.
I know what I did wrong. I don't.
At this point, I'm like, every little point counts. I'm like, who knows what's going to be in that test? I'm going to get every point I get.
You have a good mentality about it. I feel like these points, like they're so little. Like every time I take a quiz and I get 100, I'm like, my grade didn't even move.
Oh,
I am planning on doing the extra credit though.
I know.
Yeah. Oh, there's extra credit?
He just wrote it on like before, was it last week? Like when you first log in.
Oh.
And like the thing we just had to do for our child development class, Amanda, one of the articles I found even talked about ANOVA testing, and I was like, yes, I'm like, liking this article.
I'm like, I know what that means. I know. I'm like,
I was so excited.
I need to
I was
find
like,
where he
because I
said
wasn't going
that.
to do the extra credit. But then when I read when I was reading through the article, and he's like, we did a study, we did a NOVA, da 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 da. I was like, oh crap, I'm doing the extra credit now because they even just mentioned the word.
Oh, smart.
So I was like, heck yeah.
If we both do the same. They must have a class together.
You can also do a paper on a statistical situation that you find in your field of study.
Yeah, that's extra credit.
So just like any, does it have to be like in my life or just like any random?
Like what's your major? Like in your major is what he's meaning.
Marriage and family. So there's a lot.
So like if you like just go into like that database and try to like search for a topic and that's covered under marriage and family studies and see if you can find like a scholarly article, because most of them do some type of experiment usually to base their article off of. As much information as others.
I'm gonna do it. Only one page or how long?
You just have to give like a synopsis of the article. You have to talk about what kind of test was used. You have to be able to state the p-value. So make sure you find one where they actually tell you the p-value.
Where did you get all the?
Announcements. If you go to the announcements, I think it's from like week 11, maybe.
Oh, okay, because I looked at week 13 and it only says, as for extra credit, you can also do a paper on a statistical situation they find, and then that's all it talks about.
Right. The details are given in like I think lesson 11.
Okay. Oh, I see it. Okay. Cool.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm definitely using that one. I'm pretty pumped.
I know it's due the same time as our test, right? I want to see what I get on my test to see if it's worth it.
I know I'll probably do it if I want my grade to go. Oh, yeah. Okay. All right. Well, I will see you guys next week.
Okay, have fun on your vacation.
Yes, that's super fun.
Yay!
I'm excited for you. That's super fun.
Thank you.
I wish I could go.
So how
far of a drive are you from Disneyland?
We're actually, well, I think it's far. It's like an hour and a half without traffic, but there's usually traffic, so maybe we can get there under 2 hours, but yeah.
Yeah, that's a drive, but yeah, that's not as much of a drive as I would have. Stacy couldn't even drive there.
So you'd have to fly. Just fly. You guys can just fly to my house and we'll all caravan.
I'm up for it.
Yep. I don't know, I'll try to get a hop to like Miramar or something, and then I can drive up.
That works.
Cool.
Well, I gotta go get my baby, so I will
All right.
see you guys. Good luck.
Thank you.
All right.
See ya.
All right. I'll email